Hi friends, I am Doodle. And I am Noodle. We are best friends.
Sight words are words that should be recognized at a glance without sounding them out. These words help you read faster and easier. Examples of sight words are the, and, you, it, is. Let's go. The. I see the cat. And. I have milk and cookies. A. I want a toy. Two. I go to school. In. The toy is in the box. The. And. A. To. In. Is. The dog is big. You. You are my friend. That. I like that car. It is fun. He is my dad. Is. You. That. It. He. Was. She was happy. For. This gift is for you. On. The book is on the table. Are. We are happy. As. I am as tall as you. Was. For. On. Are. As. With. I play with my toys. His. This is his ball. They are nice. I like to read. At. Look at the bird. With. His. They. I. At. want to be a chef? This is my dog. Have. I have 2 apples. From. I got a letter from Grandma. Or. Do you want juice or milk? Be. This. Have. From. Or.